Hey friends, if you wish to fix error code 5 on Google Chrome, then please watch this video. The first solution is to update Google Chrome. So open Google Chrome, click on these three dots at the top right corner, select help and then click on about Google Chrome. It will update Chrome to the latest version. The second solution is to reset Google Chrome. So click on these three dots at the top right corner, then select settings. Go to reset settings on the list on the left hand side. Select restore settings to the original defaults. Select reset settings. Next one is to remove extensions. Click on these three dots at the top right corner and then select extensions. Click on manage extensions. Then remove any extension which is problematic. If it helps you, then remove it totally. Lastly, you can clear the browser cache. How do we do this? Click on these three dots at the top right corner, select history once again, select clear browsing data, change it to all time, click on clear data.